Meaning of immunosuppressant.
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 Immunosuppressant. An immunosuppressant is a drug that suppresses or weakens the immune system. These drugs are commonly used to prevent rejection of an organ transplant, and also to treat autoimmune diseases such as rheumatoid arthritis and lupus. They work by blocking certain types of white blood cells, which helps to reduce inflammation in the body and prevent the immune system from attacking healthy tissues. However, these drugs can also increase the risk of infections and other complications, and patients who take them need to be carefully monitored by a healthcare provider. In summary, immunosuppressants are drugs that weaken the immune system to treat certain medical conditions.